What? What? No. I'll call you back. Hold on. Bye. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, and I'm going to show you how to use the speakerphone on your iPhone. Sometime you're in a situation you want everybody to hear it, or you've got to put your hands down, you don't have your handset, or you're just in a high sound situation where if you do what I do, turn the speakerphone on and still jam it to your ear. All right, here's how it goes. Oh, look, it's Ken Skinner. Let me answer that. Slide to answer. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Hang on one second. What we got to do here is we've got the choice of muting him. Quiet. Nope. Shh. Adding a call or going up to the speakerphone. Mr. Skinner, how you doing there? He's kind of on his own little thing. Shh. And that's why they also put a mute button in there. Guys, it's just as easy as simply hitting speaker on and speaker off. That's all there is to it. When you're in the call mode, when you see it, you're going to be able to just hit speaker on or off. You touch it, it becomes blue, the speaker's on, and you can also tell because it's louder, and you touch it and it goes off again. It's just that simple, just like most of the things on the iPhone. I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert saying, I'll be with you in a second.